Hi Facebook family and friends, this is Antoinette coming to you with a short video on how I prepare my indoor plants to bring them indoors from the summer and being on the porch. Okay, so we all know that bugs like to make our plants their home, and I've had some incidences where I actually brought spider mites and other bugs into the house, and I couldn't figure out how to get rid of them. And I think I went on YouTube and found a solution, and it has been working for me. So let me share it with you quickly. I take some neem oil that I ordered from Coastal Scents, and I've had this for some time. I keep it in the refrigerator. I keep all my oils in the refrigerator when I'm not using them, to keep them fresher longer. So what I do is I get a spray bottle and I put a couple of tablespoons of neem oil in my bottle, along with a teaspoon or so of dish detergent soap, and I see neem oil and soap for spider mites on plants. Yeah, and so what I do is I went around and I sprayed all of my plants with my neem oil and soap and water concoction, and I'm getting them ready to bring in the house. So yeah, that's what I've done so far. I'll probably do it one more time. And this doesn't say that it will eliminate all of the bugs, but it certainly eliminates a whole bunch of them. And I may not even get bugs this year. I don't know. Well, let's see, and I'll let you know if it works. Well, it works. It does work. But of course I'll let you know if I have any bugs in my grow room this year. So, yep. So that's my neem oil concoction. And I'm going to finish spraying. I have a couple of more to spray, and then that's it. Alright, I love you guys. Thank you for watching my videos. Remember to subscribe and like my video. If you want to see anything, tell me what you want to see. Got a whole bunch of stuff in this brain, so tell me what you want to see, okay? Remember to love someone, give them a hug, and appreciate the small things. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.